Yo, what's happening, YouTuber? Mr. Trader here. Uh, we're going to be looking at a few stocks. One of them is going to be Tesla, Chipotle, Microsoft, and Amazon. And the other one is CRSP. So let's jump in it and see what we got. What happened today? Sorry I didn't get to make a video yesterday on Tuesday. Um, it was a crazy day for me. Um, so we're back at it again. We'll start with Tesla. So right at the opening, Tesla had a nice little run up, but it ran all the way to 174.43 and then just started dropping off. And then it tried to bounce off of the 166 and then couldn't hold it. So let's take a look at the option on it. Uh, we're going to take a look at the put side on this one. Oh, that's shop. Sorry. Uh, mm, all right, here we go. So if we would took the put side, I believe the 167.50. It opened up at $99, but the low of that was $48. The volume was 65,807. So with that run up, it brought that option down to $48. If you had bought in at $48 and sold at the 283, you would have made a nice little profit off of that. Not too much happening on the call side. So for, just a little run from that opening, but not too serious. All right, let's go back to the charts. Go back out of this. And we see, take a look at Microsoft. I mean, Microsoft, just the pre-market was moving pretty good in the pre-market. Nice little jump, had a little pullback, had a nice little run again, another little pullback, up again, and it topped out at 313 today. Not bad. Nice little long trade. All right. So let's take a look. We'll look at the 315 call. That's a little bit out of the money. It opened up at $47 and the low was 36. So in that first part of the opening, I mean, if you would have bought it at the 47 from opening and sold at $1.13, so it'll be 113. That would have been a nice little profit trade. Let's take a look. Someone was talking the other day. What would it be like if they would have bought 100 contracts? He said, "Is it possible you can buy 100 contracts?" And I said, "Yeah, you can, if your broker lets you." So we're gonna go 47. And we times that by 100. That's gonna be 4,700. 4,700. Not bad. That's your investment for on 100 contracts. And now you say you sold it for 113. Times that by 100. You made yourself $11,300 off that trade. That's not a bad trade. That's with 100 contracts. When you can get your account up enough where you could trade like that, yeah, you're doing amazing stuff. All right, let's bounce back out of this. And let's see. Let's go take a look at Amazon. Amazon just boom right out the gate. And it topped out at 110.67. Just right out of the gate. Boom. See, this is the reason why I like trading these stocks. 30-minute trade, 45 minutes. You can make a lot of money off these tech stocks. Let's take a look. So to say, out of the money. So this would be in the money. We'll go with the 110. Look at that. It opened up at $20. Or no, $43. Sorry, I was on the wrong one. Opened up at $43, ran all the way to 141. Not bad. Or even this one. The 109 call opened up at $74 and it ran all the way to $212. That would have been a nice little trade. Anything exciting on the put side? No, not really. Because that opening from the gate, that opening right there, it's just screwed everything on the put side because you couldn't recover on your puts on those. Not at all. All right, I'll jump back out of this. Let's go take a look at Chipotle. Chipotle. Nice little jump right from the get-go. And it topped out at $2,057.93. And then topped out about 9 o'clock, 9:05, somewhere around there, and then it started dropping, and it dropped, and then it bounced off the 2036.69, and it went back up. I'm kind of curious to see what that does tomorrow. See if we can find a trade on that. Uh, Spread's probably crazy on this. Yeah, really, really no action. Spread's just so wide on these things. Chipotle's a harder one to trade because look at spread. I mean, look at spread right here. The 2057.50. I mean, your bid is 970, and then your ask is 1120. Spread's so hard on these things. It's hard sometimes to catch a good trade on them. But when you can find a good one, you can make some profit off of this. Let's see on the put side. See, look, 780, 940 on the bid and ask. Spread so far apart. That's why Chipotle is so hard to trade. All right, let's get back to the charts. All right, and we're going to change this one out real quick. And we're going to go look at CRP, CRSP. I mean, look at that. That's from yesterday. That's from yesterday, from 55, and today it was 71.20. This is something you guys should keep your eye on. Keep an eye on CRSP. I don't know much about this stock. I don't know much about the company. But if you have 2 days of running like this, it's possible you'll have a third day run. Let's go take a look at the trade. I wonder if they have any options. Oh, I screwed up somewhere. SP. Oh, they do have options. Oh my God. Let's see. Boom. Look, 68 strike. Look at that. It opened up at $40 and it ran all the way to $350. Tell me that is not a good profit. So let's check that out. Let's pull up the calculator. So we do 40 times, it'll be $4,000. All right, I can tell you. 100 contracts equals 4,000. Okay, we'll clear this out. Excuse me. So 350 times 100 equals, look at that, $35,000 off of that one trade. Your investment was $4,000. $4,000. And you turned that $4,000 into $35,000. People don't even know what to think when they make trades like that. People's like, oh no, that's unbelievable. That's unbelievable. There's no way. Boom, there it is. I just proved it. Check that out. $40 investment could have made $350. That's big boys trades right there. Now let's try to do this a different way. Excuse me. So let's say 350 times 500 contracts. If your broker lets you do it, $175,000. $175,000 off of 500 contracts. Your total investment, let's take a look. So $40 times 500. Your total investment would be 20 grand. Your 20 grand turned into $170,000. So even think about this. 1,000 contracts. $350,000 off of 1,000 contracts. 1,000. I'm just throwing it out there. Options are risky, but they have high rewards if you know how to play it the right way. They're very nice. Guys, keep an eye on CRSP. I'm telling you. Or we'll just take a look at this one. DVA. Don't know nothing about this company either, but it bounced off a 97.16 yesterday and ran all the way to 103, and then today it was kind of flat. So that's something to keep an eye on. So that's all I got today. But I'm telling you, some of these stocks that you don't know about or never really think about, some of them are really high rewards. So I thank you guys for watching. We'll see what happens tomorrow with the market. And let's test some waters. I don't know. I'll probably set up a scanner and see what other stocks that we can find. Maybe look for some cheap stocks that will have a high reward return. I don't know. But catch you guys later. See you tomorrow. And hope you guys have a good evening.